Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Good morning. Good morning. Hello and how are you? Early in the morning, I say good morning. Hello and how are you? Good morning, Charles Audrey family. How are you doing this morning? I hope you're having a great morning. Do you remember what we're learning about? We're learning about water. So today, I need your help. I need you to help me use raindrops to measure how long animals that live in the water are. So can you help me measure the animals that live in the water with raindrops? Great. Ooh, do you see the ocean animal? We're going to measure this ocean animal. Do you know what it is? It's a fish. We're going to measure this fish with raindrops. Are you ready? Get ready to count. 1, 2. This fish is 2 raindrops long. What animal is this? It's a turtle. Are you ready to measure the turtle with the raindrop? Do you think the turtle will be bigger or the fish will be bigger? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. This turtle is 4 raindrops long. The fish was 2 raindrops long. The turtle is bigger because 4 is more than 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. What's this? This animal lives in the water like the other animals, and we're learning about water. How many raindrops do you think this whale will be? Do you think it will be longer than the fish and the turtle? Let's see. Let's count. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Wow, that's really big. Guess what? You did it. You helped me measure
the animals that live in the water with raindrops. And for that, we get to do our victory dance. Yay, 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 yay. Good job, friends. Before we go, we have to do our goodbye poem. Are you ready? Are you cozy? Do you have enough space? Great. Wave up high, wave down low. I think it's time we have to go. Wave your elbows, wave your toes. Wave your knees and wave your nose. Wave your chin. Wave your lips. Blow a kiss with your fingertips. Wave your ears. Wave your eyes. Wave your hands and say goodbye.